Okay, so this is part 2 of our Asia trip. After Hong Kong, we went to Saigon. I want to make this video more like a montage type video and less of me talking because you don't really want to see me talk. We arrived at Saigon after our flight. We arrived very late at night and my uncle and his family picked us up and took us to our hotel. We ate at a restaurant. We went to the Vietnamese Notre Dame, the post office, the War Remnants Museum. We also went to the Ben Thanh Market and had dinner, and it rained. It rained like every single evening, and that's day 1. The next day, we went to the embassy. The embassy is where all of the troops, the American troops, and the Vietnamese people were lifted off to be taken out of Vietnam during the Vietnam War. And so my dad actually was picked up by a helicopter and put on the Midway, which is now a museum. After the embassy, we went to a cafe, and Natalie actually had she ate frog. Also, my dad visited his mom used to work at a hospital, and so he visited the hospital. He also visited his old house where he used to live. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.